Which bird can imitate human speech? Parrot. What is the only mammal capable of flight? Bat. Which can survive in deserts? Camel. What is the symbol of wisdom? Owl. Which is the largest living reptile? Crocodile. Which is the fastest bird? Peregrine falcon. Which is the largest mammal on Earth? Whale. Which bird can swim but cannot fly? Penguin. Which is famous for problem solving? Crow. Which is the symbol of peace? Dove. Thank you for joining us. Don't forget to like and subscribe.